Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn Bangla with Tinkers. With you, I am Munem Shahriar. Today, we'll learn Bangla verbs. You know, there are lots of verbs in Bangla, but today I will teach you the important ones, the verbs that we use daily. In a Bangla sentence, if you use a noun as English form, people would easily understand because Bangladeshi people mostly understand Bangla nouns. But if you use an English verb into a Bangla sentence, that's a big no-no. Let me give you an example. If you say, I eat kola, it means I eat banana. And if you say, Ami banana khai, the second sentence is more correct. So, the point I'm trying to make is Bangla verbs are really, really important for you to learn if you want to speak like a native Bangla speaker. Okay, let's begin. I'll show the verb first, then I'll make a simple first person sentence for you. So as you can see in the screen, it's Bangla Jawa. Look at how I pronounce Jawa. Jawa. It's go. Go means Jawa. And I go is Ami Jai. How I pronounce? Ami Jai. I go. I go. Ami Jai. Next verb is come. Come means asha. Come here. এখানে আসো. I come, আমি আসি. You come, তুমি আসো. I come, আমি আসি. Okay, for your help, I have written the pronunciation in English letters also, and you can see it's also written in Bangla. Okay, next verb. Aka, aka, draw. I draw means ami aki. You can see here ami aki. I draw. Ami aki. You should repeat the verbs with me because this is a video. This is a practice video I'm making for you. So you should repeat the verbs with me. Say, bola, bola. Say means bola. Ami boli, ami boli. I say. You can say also I speak. Ami boli, ami boli, ami boli. I speak or I say. Eat, khawa, khawa. Look how I pronounce khawa. I eat, ami khai. I eat, ami khai. Ami khai, I eat. Next verb is read. Read means pora. Ami pori. Read pora. Pora. Ami pori. I read. Ami pori. I read. Ami pori. Repeat with me. Yes, right. Okay, next verb is write. Write likha. Likha. Ami likhi. I write. Likha. I write. Ami likhi. You should repeat everything with me, right? Okay. Next verb, play. Khela. Khela. Play. Khela. A first person sentence with it. I play. Ami kheli. I play. Ami kheli. You can see it's written in Bangla, Ami kheli, and then Ami kheli in Banglish. That means I have written the Bangla pronunciation for you, and then we wrote the English sentence. I play, Ami kheli. Repeat with me, Ami kheli. Next is listen, shona. So there are two types of pronunciation for this, shona or shuna. Both are correct. Shona, listen. Shuna, listen. Both are correct. Ami shuni. Ami shuni. Look here, it's not Ami shoni, it's Ami shuni. Ami shuni. I listen. Next verb is walk. Hata. Hata. Look, the ha sound comes from nose. Hata. Okay, hata. Hata. Ami hati. I walk. I walk. Ami hati. I walk. Ami hati. Okay, next verb. Next verb is sit. Sit is bosha. So I sit. Ami boshi. I sit. Ami boshi. Next verb. Dourano. Run. Dourano. So a sentence with it is I run. Ami dourai. I run. Ami dourai. Then sleep. Ghumano. 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 I sleep. Ami ghumai. I sleep. Ami ghumai. You can say here it's written Ami ghumai. Ami ghumai. I sleep. You should try to guess the Bangla words by looking at the Bangla alphabet or Bangla letters. So Ami ghumai. I sleep. Okay, next verb is dance. Dance. Nacha. Na-cha. Look how I pronounce na-cha. Na-cha. Ami nachi. I dance. Ami nachi. I dance. Ami nachi. I dance. Next verb is sing. Gawa. Ami gai. Gawa. Gawa. Speak with me. Say with me. Gawa. Ami gai. I sing. I sing. Ami gai. Repeat with me. Ami gai. Ami gai. Ami gai. I sing. Next verb is drive. Chalano. 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 Drive. Ami chalai. I drive. Ami chalai. I drive. Next verb. That's all. Okay, thank you for being so persistent and so patient in listening to all the verbs. I hope you have repeated with me, and I'd suggest you to repeat the whole video one more time so that you can memorize or you can remember all the verbs, and you can always come back to this video whenever you need to revise the Bangla verbs. In our next lesson, in our next video, we shall practice the Bangla verbs in second person and third person examples. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Shubha Biday.